Insurance adjusters may seem like they're friendly and down to earth, but many times that's just a strategy to convince you not to hire an attorney, because the adjuster knows that the attorney should know what your rights are. Insurance companies are not going to give you the straight answers most often about what deadlines are out there. In Missouri, there are statutes of limitations. In fact, throughout the country, there are deadlines called statute of limitations. And I've heard of cases where an adjuster has dragged things out so long that when the statute of limitation passes, they're not quite as friendly as they were to start out with when they were working with you. Insurance companies are certainly going to be reluctant to tell you what the insurance coverage is out there. They call these this coverage policy limits. And if you run into a situation where somebody's hurt you really badly, you need to know how much insurance coverage is out there. You may be entitled to the maximum that the policy allows, or the policy limits. But if you don't reach the policy limits and you have catastrophic injuries, you can lose out rights with other insurance policies that might provide coverage. For instance, you might have an insurance policy that provides extra coverage. It's called underinsurance coverage. But you got to know what the policy limits are from the person that's first caused you to have the harm. Insurance companies sometimes won't tell you that they're recording you. Usually they do, but sometimes they don't. What they won't tell you, however, is that they're asking the questions that put their company in a light most favorable to them. They are not going to be asking questions that accurately and truthfully bring out what your true injuries are, or even the facts of how perhaps an accident occurred.